You study, I'm to study, everyone to study. But problems is here how to satisfy after attempt the exam. How to, if I have some of tips to learn from Wi-Fi Smart English, then I can something understood. This is good. And sometimes I feeling how to crack IELTS exam, how to sit in exam, IELTS exam. How are you doing? I hope everyone finds. I hope having to greet their family also. Stay safe, stay home. If you don't have any ideas how to get rid of his IELTS exam, this is very difficult for me, everyone. This corresponds everyone. Somebody said this is a consequence to every person, each other. Sometimes I think about IELTS exam, actually the landing also remove from us your length, your legs. How to happen the everyone. You study, I'm to study, everyone to study. But problems is here how to satisfy after attempt the exam. How to, if I have some of tips to learn from Wi-Fi Smart English, then I can something understood. This is good. And sometimes I feeling how to crack IELTS exam, how to sit in exam, IELTS exam, because everyone make me fear of this. How you can't succeed in IELTS exam, you can't attempt the IELTS exam. But why can't I have? Don't I have a mind? Don't I have a practice? Don't I have an attempt to anything? I can do whatever you're thinking in your life. You can cause spontaneous. This is the enunciation talk. You can implement you everything. After I'm telling you three tips in this video. I follow this video and attempt everything in your life. Firstly, you need to understand format of IELTS exam. I hope you will understand IELTS exam format every time. You can think, I'm sitting at home. Then you have to find reason why sitting at home. You can sitting outside. This IELTS exam format type of. Some of people think what thinking. Make sure you know the format before attempting examination. Examination means some of questions asked before I'm making some example, this type, that type. Don't be over anything in the IELTS exam. Don't you think over in some of places. Think whatever you have a work, whatever you have a mind. Don't over acting anywhere. Speak limitless everywhere, every time. Especially in IELTS exam, some of people speak more and more. At first step, is second step. Practice make a map perfect. Everyone, this is as usual talk. Everyone tell practice make a map perfect. But I want to recommend to one thing: practice every moment. Don't procrastinate while practicing, while to any work, because if you do practice, then you can attempt whatever you want to life. Practice make you 100 reasons to something true in life. Practice make you 100 parts of your life. But you understand how to practice in a morning period. Especially I practice my period every single time, every single morning, I don't want to do anything except practicing. On my time I practice, every time I put on what to I practice in morning, because I make a homework on my own. I don't think what happening in my life, just I want to only practice in this morning time, that morning, this morning, at morning. So I practice on that morning and to make a perfect about reading skills, writing skills, and speaking skills, and you can everything. Because speaking skills, communication, this is the most important, but you practice, this is most important for life. Important thing, don't write too much, because you write down according to interviewer. As a direct interviewer can write every word. Sometimes think how to write everything. You write more and more, but don't need. Just while exam is you go to the sitting exam. If you are writing different, you interview telling different. But how to? There's no correspondence in this. This is consistence. Nothing here. They are writing very important thing, sorts or word every time. Before exam, you need to sorts or word, difficult words to write on the paper and blank paper, find, write without copy, without anything. Just focus on your mind. Use your mind, then you can think what was happening in this. Then your mind will activate. Your mind will active. Then your mind will work by perfectly, very productivity, because you are writing without copy, without any unnecessary thing, equipment. Just keep writing, but not more and more, especially examination. Write as directed in November. But this is the most important thing. Don't use fancy words in examination. If you use the fancy word in examination will not understand, but they will ask different questions about fancy word. Then how will you handle their problem? Writing as much normal writing, as much people writing every time, writing, speaking, writing every pair. Then you can normal writing, not fancy writing, fancy word. Don't use the fancy word. If using phrases, this is good, but don't use fancy word, unnecessary word, apart from your vocabulary, apart from your talking. So many people using and for confusing, make it confusing to another boy for using new word, fancy word, then they stuck in this problem. So don't use fancy word while writing skills at there. This is don't be monotonous. It means don't be boring too much there while examination. Every time their time is you feeling boring, then you can't attempt your examination. Attempt means you can't attempt whatever happens this and how to boring this, because you're feeling boring. That's how can you attempt the examination? Feel by productivity, motivate yourself in a more time, especially in EVA time. Think this is good for me, for my examination. Whatever I'm doing, it's a correct for my examination. My exam will be good, will be perfect after 10 days. This is good, and don't boring or too plans make it blunt. Don't blunt that time. Think positive, don't politely, then focus on it. Concentrate on examination. Examination will be good after you concentrate on examination. Nabi will provoke you. This is your man. This is not unnecessary boy. You can attempt your examination. Focus on 5 tips I've told in this video. Focus on that, working and implement your life every time. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you will like this video. You will share with your friends, and I hope you will subscribe my channel and you can get new notification from this channel. Thanks. Bye. Good luck.